Do you want to learn a language in a fun way? I do. I love to use movies. Let me tell you about my Italian adventure. I watched the movie Cinema Paradiso. It's a beautiful story about a boy who loves movies. I watched it with Italian subtitles. At first, it was hard, but I kept watching. I started to understand more and more. The beautiful Italian words became music to my ears. After some time, I could understand a lot. I felt so happy. It was like magic. Movies help me learn Italian in a fun and easy way. You can do it too. Movies and TV shows can be your teachers. They open doors to new languages and cultures. You hear real people talking. You learn how they use the language every day. It's like traveling to a new country without leaving your home. Imagine watching a Spanish comedy. You hear jokes and laughter. You learn how Spanish people have fun. You see the beautiful streets of Madrid or Barcelona. It's an adventure. Learning with movies is not like studying a textbook. It's fun and relaxing. You choose a movie you like. You sit back and enjoy the story. Your brain learns without even trying. Think about it. You learned your first language by listening to people around you. Movies are similar. You hear real conversations, music, and sounds. It's natural and enjoyable. Movies help you remember new words. You see the words and hear them at the same time. You also see the actions and emotions. This makes the words stick in your mind. For example, you see a character say hola and wave. You instantly connect the word hola with the action of greeting someone. This visual connection helps you remember the word. Comedies are great for language learning. They use simple language and are full of funny situations. Laughter helps you relax and learn faster. When you laugh, you are happy, and your brain is more open to learning. So why not choose a funny movie? Laugh a lot and learn a new language at the same time. Subtitles are your friends. They help you understand the movie. You can start with subtitles in your language and then try subtitles in the language you are learning. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just relax and enjoy the movie. You will be surprised how much you learn just by watching and reading. Start with short videos or cartoons. They use simple language and are easy to follow. As you learn more, you can watch longer movies with more complex stories. Choose movies you already know. This helps you focus on the language. You can also watch movies about topics you love. This makes learning more interesting. Don't just watch movies. Use the new words and phrases you learn in real life. Talk to people, write emails, or sing songs in the new language. The more you use the language, the better you will learn it. Movies give you the tools. You decide how to use them. Ready to start? Here are some fun movies to try. Amélie, French. A whimsical story about a quirky girl in Paris. Pan's Labyrinth, Spanish. A magical and visually stunning film. Cinema Paradiso, Italian. A heartwarming story about the love of cinema. These movies are not only entertaining but also great for language learning. Choose one and start your movie adventure today. Learning a new language can be fun and rewarding. Movies are your ticket to a world of new possibilities. So grab some popcorn, choose a movie, and start your language journey today. You will be amazed by how much you can learn. Happy watching!